Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in JMMB Express Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in JMMB Express Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now it will directly lead you to your login quiz. So type in your login and your password. Now type in your password. If you want to save the information on your browser, click on this box or you can leave it as on chip. If you have forgot your password, click on this link and you can recover your password from there. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in JMMB Express Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.